Take a ride in the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.